Okay, on this lesson we're going to learn about differentiating exponential functions. Okay, we know that there is a special exponential function called the e function. Alright, so if we want to differentiate e, so d e to the power of x over dy, this gives us e to the power of x. We know this because it's a special rule. This is the only function where when we differentiate it, it gives the same thing. But what if the function is a little bit different? Let's say you have e to the power of e 2x plus 1. Now I'm going to write the power in another color, just so that you can understand this just a little bit better. So 2x plus 1. Now if I'm going to differentiate this function, what will happen? Well, if I were to differentiate this function, what needs to be done is that the green bit, that needs to be differentiated first. So if u is equal to 2x plus 1, what is u dash? U dash is equal to 2. So u dash is equal to 2. What I do is I take u dash here and I multiply that by the original function. So multiply that by e is equal to 2x plus 1. Now u dash of course is just 2, so this becomes just 2 e to the power of 2x plus 1. Notice that the 2x plus 1 here stays the same, nothing changes here, but the differentiation of this bit goes to the beginning. We multiply it by the differentiation of this bit. So the rule is, if y is equal to e function of x, then y dash is equal to function derivative of the function times e to the function of x. So that bit doesn't change. The last bit and the end bit does not change at all. Now let us do a couple of examples to make sure we understand this properly. Okay, so let's do example 1. Now let us imagine that we have y is equal to, so let's see, y is equal to e3 minus x squared. Now again, I'm gonna change the power here to a different color, just so that we're clear. So if I change this to 3 minus x squared, then what I can do is, if I'm going to differentiate this, this will be y dash is equal to, I need to differentiate the green bit first, okay, because that's the f of x, the derivative. So if I differentiate the green bit, it is, so let's say u is equal to 3 minus x squared, so u dash is equal to minus 2x. So I need to take that bit and put it at the front, minus 2x, and then I multiply this by the original, and the original is e3 minus x squared. So then the result gives me minus 2x e 3 minus x squared. So minus 2x times e to the power of 3 minus 2x. Okay, so let's do a second example. So let us say that y is equal to e x squared plus 2x minus 3. Okay, if this is the case, then once again, we need to differentiate the function. So if u is equal to x squared plus 2x minus 3, then u dash is equal to 2x plus 2. I need to take this and multiply it to the front. So then this is 2x plus 2. Now I've put it all in brackets because I'm multiplying the whole lot by the original. And the original, of course, is this. So multiplying this by x squared plus 2x minus 3. And that, of course, is the answer. Now we can rewrite this, because this is one term, as put this at the front. And then put this at the back, because there are two terms here, it's a binomial. But you don't need to do this step, but yeah, this step would make it a little easier to understand. And that is differentiation with exponential. Now this only works if we use ex, okay, only with exponential e to the power of x. If we have an exponential, let's say we have derivative of 10x, this system does not work, so this does not equal 10x. It would be much more complicated, and you don't need to know that, so you don't need to do these. You only do it if it's an e. So that's all you need to know, the e to the power of x and the differentiation of that. And that's it for this lesson. See you next time.